The law of the land is the law of the culture that lives on the land. It's different in every country. You can do things in America you can't do in Russia. You can do things in Africa you can't do in England. There is a higher law that dominates the entire world. It's called the law of the water. The law of water is referred to as the law of money. And anytime you're doing banking or using money, you are now under the law of water, maritime admiralty. Let me give an example of the difference between the law of water and the law of the land. The Statue of Liberty must be put in water. It could not be put on American land as such, because it's not the Statue of Freedom. It's a Statue of Liberty. Liberty is what a sailor gets when he pulls into port on a ship. He gets liberty. He's not free. So America is not the land of the free and the home of the brave. We're not free or brave, period. Now let me give you an example of how this law of the water works. Why is it that you have to go to court? You go to court because you play basketball and tennis on a court. What's the idea of going to court? It's a game. The whole idea in a court is to put the ball back in the other guy's court. One team gets up and they throw the ball over to that team of lawyers. That team gets up and throws the ball back into their court. And the judge is wearing a black robe, so he is the referee. Doesn't care which side wins or loses because he's going to get paid anyway. The judge rules from the bench. The word bench in Latin is a bank. Therefore, the judge rules for the bank. You find banks on both sides of a river. They're called river banks. And what does a river bank do? It directs the flow of the current. See, your money is current. See, because it's the flow, the cash flow.
I'm not allowed to say certain things, but this is how they hide everything. So, if you want to understand what you are, where we are, this ebook will literally unveil that to you.